Hey, I'm just doing a quick review for you on this fabric shaver. This is by Bymore. They did gift this to me. I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. This is a great way to revive your old sweaters or newer sweaters that have pilling on them. All right, so I've got a coat here and you can see, look at all of the pilling on the collar here. This is really easy to use. There's a few ways to use this. You've got this guard. See this? You can take that guard off and you can use this right like that flush, or you can put the guard on. It's really simple. You just got an on and an off. That's it. On, off, one speed. You have to have your own AA batteries, 2 of them, no big deal. Pop those in there. They give you 2 replacement blades, okay, that you can put in here if these wear off. Hold the collar up. We're just gonna continue to work along here. You can go in a circular motion. You can go up and down and left and right. So this side is nice and smooth. This is the side that we did not do. Look at, do you see that right there? A good look. And there you have it. It is nice and smooth. So all of the lint and all the fabric that you shave off is gonna go right here into this compartment. You can see it's starting to fill up. This is gonna hold a lot, but to release that, you just pull down. This is gonna pop off and look in there. Did you see? It's collecting all of the little pills that we're cutting off of our fabric. Bring your garments back to life. That's what a fabric shaver does. Maintain your sweaters, maintain your coats, your couch cushions. It works great, and they're giving you 2 extra blades, so it's gonna last you a long time. 2 AA's, very simple product, but very effective product. I definitely would recommend this. It does exactly what it's supposed to do, so that is my quick review, and thanks for watching.